Yes, good afternoon, guys. I am Bob Singh Radia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, today I am going to start a very important chapter, very important topic of 11th class English grammar. That's active and passive voice. Yes, active and yes, active and passive voice. So, dear students, before knowing more about how to convert a sentence of active voice in passive form, you should know about a sentence. Yes, let us know more about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which gives a complete sense, which makes a complete sense. Not only a group of words is called a sentence. Ram, me, helps. It is not a group. It is not called a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which gives a complete sense, which makes a complete sense. And a sentence has basically three components. First is a subject. Second is the verb, and the object. Subject, verb and object. Subject, it means subject is the doer of an action. A person or a thing about which we are talking is called a subject. In short and sweet, you can say the doer of an action is called a subject. And then the verb. Verb is a kind of an action. Is a kind of action. And the object. Object is a subject or a thing which is governed by the verb or a preposition, or you can say that it is the receiver of an action, or in other words we can say that an object is a person or a thing on which the action is done upon. Yes, on which the action done upon. So a sentence has basically three parts: subject, verb and object. So now the question arises, what's an active voice? A sentence is said to be an active voice when the subject does an action, and a sentence is to be in passive voice when the subject is acted upon. This is the difference between active voice and passive voice. Now we take an example of simpler present tense. Yes, today we will change the sentences into passive form of present indefinite. It means simple present. For example, Manav writes a story. Yes, Manav writes a story. In this sentence, Manav is the doer of an action. Who is writing? Manav is writing. So Manav is subject. What does he do? He writes. He performs the action. And the action is writing. So that's why it is called verb. And then a story. A story is governed by the verb. So it's called an object. What does Manav write? A story. So it's a object in the sentence. So dear students, while converting a sentence of active voice into passive voice, there are some certain rules for it. First of all, you will identify the subject, verb and object in a sentence. In the original sentence, you will identify. So we have already identified subject, verb and object in this sentence. And after that, convert the object into subject. Yes. write objects in the beginning of a sentence to create a new sentence. Yes, a story. A story. A story is singular number. So the helping verb you will write is. Each. While converting a sentence of simple present into passive voice, we use the helping verbs, we use the supporting verbs, they are is, am and are. If the subject is singular number, at that time we write is. If the subject is plural number, at that time we use are. So here a story is singular number, that's why we write is. And then use the past participle form of the verb. It is the present form. The first form of the verb is known as present verb, present form. The second form is known as past form, but you will write the third form of the verb here. It means past participle. Yes, a story is written by make the subject object. A story is written by Manav. Dear students, while converting a sentence of active voice into passive voice, the sentence is not changed at all. There is only change. There is no change in the tense. There is only change in the formation, transformation. That's why it is the very important topic of the transformation in your class, in your examination. So dear students, these three things are very important. First of all, you will change the object into subject. Then you will write the helping verb according to tense. In simple present tense, is, am, are used while changing in passive form. Then you will use the past participle form of the verb. Then you will write by, and then you will convert. Then you will write objects. Subject you will make object. So a story is written by Manav. There is a change in the. There is no change in the formation. Yes, there is only. Yes, sorry. There is a change only in formation. There is no change in the meaning of a sentence. So a story is written by Ram. If we make the negative form, Ram doesn't write a story, it means a story is not written by Ram. Or if you make the sentence of interrogative form, at that time, does Manav write a story? Is a story written by Manav. So this is the passive form of simple present tense. So dear students, in this topic, today I only taught you how to convert a sentence of active voice into passive voice. And in next YouTube video, I will teach you how to convert the present continuous tense into passive form. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.